Hi, I'm Megan with WTI. This is my new phone case, the NTG for iPhone 11. I got it in the mint green color, which I just love. It is such a fresh color. The phone case comes in two pieces. There's a silicone piece as well as a hard case. So you put them together and that's what's going to give you the extra protection to make it shock proof. And it just snaps in, not too difficult. This is about how thick it is, and I do charge my phone on a wireless charging dock, so it's not too thick for using that if you charge your phones that way. There's a bit of a grippiness on the edges of the phone, which make it easier to hold, especially when either texting or using the phone. I do find that helps prevent it from slipping out of my hands. All in all, I really love the color of this iPhone case, and I love how durable it is. It protects my phone. I drop my phone a ton, so I need a proper case to protect it, and this does the job. I'm really happy with it, and I think you will be too, but that's just my point of view.